President of the Republic of Kenya, the Cabinet Secretary is present, the dramatists who are here, the actors, the adjudicators, the content creators, directors and producers, good afternoon. I must confess that since President William Ruto and I ascended to the high office, we have never had such a beautiful moment of relaxing, enjoying, and generally sampling the best of our creation and the creative capacity of our young people. We've really enjoyed. I'm only worried that the president after this will say we go back kwa mambo ya uchumi after such a relaxation. Rais, nakuomba tafadhali mimi unipe ruhusa nipumzike kidogo. Kama wewe unataka kurudi kwa mambo ya uchumi, wewe uendelee kwa sababu umetumiza sana kwa hii mambo ya uchumi. Najua rais wetu, when he asked me to be his running mate, he never disclosed to me that once we are set to office, our lives will change. We will become economists when some of us are dramatists. Sasa ametupindua kutoka drama tumeingia kwa mambo ya uchumi. Kwa hivyo rais, kwa saa 8 hii wewe urudi kwa mambo ya uchumi, mimi unikubali.